Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check availability for a program in the VisitACity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then look for a city or a destination that you would like to visit. So, for example, Paris. And then if you scroll down and you find any popular sites or programs that you're interested in, for example, like a hop-on hop-off tour, as you can see at the if you scroll down a bit, you can select the date of your arrival, or where you want the program to take place, and you can just type in how many adults or how many children will be there, and then click on the check availability button. You can see that for the 16th of February there are plenty of available hop-on hop-off tours still. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.